Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn the thickness features in a part workbench. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure, but I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on an equal interval of a time once the new features came, and once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So here I have launched my FreeCAD, and I will create a new file, and I will switch to the part workbench. So basically thickness feature is nothing but a shell command. It has the different names in different softwares. So this thickness is a process of shelling a part. So we will understand it with a very simple example. For example, I create a cube here, and I will click on the cube, and I will give the length for say 300 mm, and I will give it 200, and thickness I will give the 10 mm, or let's say the thickness I will give the 25. Now we have this plate of 300 by 200 into 25. Now I will use the thickness tool. For example, I select this face, and once you select this face, here is a thickness options, so I will click on it. So you can see that thickness here is a 1 mm. I wanted to make it a 3 mm. So you can see that 3 mm thickness is created. Now here is a joint type is a arc. So because of this, FreeCAD automatically added the fillets here. Now if I go with the intersection, so you can see that fillet is removed, and click on the OK. So you can see that how it is created a constant thickness from all the sides. Let's edit the thickness, and now I wanted to remove the from both the sides. So if I wanted to remove the completely, so I will select the both the faces by pressing the control key and click on the OK. So you can see that both the faces has been removed. Click on OK, and now I will delete it. Now if I select this face and click on the thickness tool, and here I will click on the intersections, so you can see that it is created the constant 1 mm thickness. If I wanted to change the thickness, I just click on the increase, give it 3 mm, click on OK. So this is how to use the thickness tool in FreeCAD for creating a constant thickness. So this is the very useful if you are making any container. You just create a outer shape and use the shell commands, and your job is done. So this is all about how to use the thickness tool in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.